Performante Spyder, which will be tons of fun. We're actually gonna go do it at Los Gatos Luxury Cars. So we're gonna drive an hour and a 488 to go drive a Performante Spyder, if that makes sense. It should be really fun, like switching from the 488 to the Performante, because they're both like similar-ish cars. Like this car is a V8 twin turbo versus the Performante is a naturally aspirated V10. So a big difference there, but we'll see how it feels to drive the Performante Spyder. So I have driven the Performante, and the only difference is the Spyder is a soft top version of it. We're here. Oh, look at this, guys. Lime green Performante. And I think those are the ones we're actually going to be taking out. The red ones and the white ones right here, the 4 of these. Alright guys, I just got set up in this white Performante that we're going to be taking on our drive. In front of us there's that red one. I actually really like how the red looks. And that's Kirby taking some shots here. And I just want to remind you guys also about this GoPro. If you guys have been following for a while, you'll know that this GoPro actually got burned from the exhaust of a matte gray Performante we took out a couple months ago when they first came out with the Performante. We were like one of the first few, I think in fact probably the first people in like the US to be able to drive it. So that's what happened with this GoPro. But it's actually my very, very first time driving the Performante Spyder, which I'm really excited about. So let's go. I forgot for a second, guys, about this car and what it can do. So kind of my brief history with the Performante. So I told you guys I got to drive the matte gray one a while ago, one of the first US Performantes to come here. That was a coupe. And then in the Winter Driving Academy, we actually drifted Performantes on the snow track, which is a ton of fun. But this is the first time I'm behind the wheel for like a group Performante drive, so I'm excited to go on some open roads here in Los Gatos area and really open this car up. I kind of wish this drive wasn't happening because the only problem is now I won't. But it also makes me really excited for the SVJ, guys, which is, it has the Ala, it has the exhaust pulled up of the Performante. I'm excited because it's like a SV Performante. So I'm in Corsa right now because I love how it drives in Corsa, and I love the display of the RPM in that half circle. So we're making our way right now to the more open roads where we're really going to be opening up this thing. Carbon, guys. When you're in the seat, you get a ton of forged carbon on the center console, the sides, everywhere. Performante is all about that forged carbon. And of course, the Ala, which we'll be feeling once we open it up. Oh my god, so easy to throw this thing around. Like, it's no big deal. Woo! You can actually see the cats turning red, and like when you're in a tunnel or like at night, you can actually see sparks coming out of the exhaust. It's really cool. Oh my god. This thing can handle. an hour. So they just put the top back up at 25 miles per hour, which is super convenient because like you're not always stationary or parked, and sometimes you just want to put the top on. All right, guys, so we're almost out of these back roads, headed back to Los Gatos. I also want to give a huge thank you to BMC and Los Gatos boats for jointly organizing this Performante drive. It was freaking awesome, to say the least. You guys saw that look on my face, like we were on a roller coaster the whole time. And as always, like I could not more highly recommend the Performante and the Performante Spyder now. So definitely check it out, guys, if you want one of these. They're awesome cars. They have my stamp of approval. Yeah, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed watching this drive. And if you want to see more drives like this, come with me while I experience new cars. Just make sure to let me know in the comments below. And as always, subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye. Performante drive complete.